In this video, we're going to solve some more basic integrals. Number 5, we've got integral root x times x cubed minus 1 over 2x dx. Let's simplify the integral. So what we have is x to the 1/2 times x cubed minus x to the 1/2 times 1 over 2x. Simplifying further, we have the same base here, so we can add the exponents. 1/2 plus 3, that's 7 over 2, minus 1 over 2. X to the 1/2 minus 1 is negative 1/2 dx. Now let's split up the integrals. We get x to the 7 over 2 dx minus integral 1/2 x to the negative 1/2 dx. Antiderivative of x to the 7/2, add 1 to the exponent, that's x to the 9 over 2, divide by 9 over 2. Bring the 1/2 out, minus 1/2. X to the negative 1/2, let's integrate that. That's going to be x to the 1/2 divided by 1/2 plus c. And the constant cancels out, 1/2 cancels with 1/2. Let's flip the denominator, and we'll get 2 over 9. X to the 9 over 2 minus x to the 1/2 plus c. All right, let's go over some basics. We need to know if you have x to the m times x to the n, we have the same base, you add up the exponents, x to the m plus n. X to the m divide by x to the n, same base, you're dividing. Let me fix that. That's going to be x to the m over x to the n. That's going to be x to the m minus n. Same base, you subtract off the exponents. And if you're integrating x to the m over n dx, reverse the power rule, add 1 to the exponent, divide by m over n plus 1, and don't forget to add the constant. All right, let's look at the next question. Question number 6. Here we have integral 2e to the t plus e minus 1 over 2t dt. Let's split up the integral. Integral 2e to the t plus integral e dt. I forgot to add a dt here. Minus integral 1 over 2t dt. Constants pass through the integral. So the e passes through, the 1/2 passes through as well. So we get 2 integral e to the t dt plus e integral 1 dt minus 1/2 integral 1 over t dt. And the integral of e to the t is just itself, e to the t. Integral of 1 is just t, and antiderivative of 1 over t is log absolute value of t plus c. All right, a couple of things we need to know. Antiderivative of e to the t dt is itself, that's e to the t plus c. Integral of a constant is going to be ct plus d. And antiderivative of 1 over t dt, this is just log absolute value of t plus c. All right, let's look at the next question. Here we have question number 7. Integral 1 over 1 plus t squared plus 2 over root of 1 minus t squared plus sine t minus cos t dt. So we're going to split up the integral. That's integral 1 over 1 plus t squared dt plus integral 2 over root 1 minus t squared dt plus integral sine t dt minus integral cos t dt. Antiderivative of 1 over 1 plus t squared, this is tan minus 1t. That's arctan t. Bring this 2 out, plus 2, and integral of 1 over root 1 minus t squared is going to be, that is sine minus 1t, arc sine t. Integral sine t is minus cos t. Integral cos t is sine t. plus c. Let's rewrite this. That's tan minus 1t plus 2 sine minus 1t minus cos t minus sine t plus c. So a couple of things we have to memorize. Antiderivative of 1 over 1 plus t squared dt is arctan t, tan minus 1t. Antiderivative of 1 over root 1 minus x squared dx will be arcsine, sine minus 1x plus c. And integral of sine x dx is negative cos x. Integral of cos x dx is equal to sine x. And don't forget to add c, plus c. All right, let's look at question number 8. Here we have integral secant squared x plus cosecant squared x plus sec x tan x dx. Let's split up the integrals. Integral secant squared x dx plus integral cosecant squared x dx plus integral secant x tan x sec x tan x dx. Integral secant squared x is just going to be tangent x. Integral of cosecant squared x is minus cotangent x. Integral sec x tan x is just going to be secant x plus constant c. So a couple of things we need to memorize. Derivative of tan x is secant squared x. Integral secant squared x dx is tan x plus c. Derivative of secant x is going to be sec x tan x, and integral of sec x tan x dx will be secant x plus c. Derivative of cotangent x is going to be minus cosecant squared x. So integral of cosecant squared x dx will be minus cotangent x plus c. All right, let's look at the next question. Question number 9. We have integral secant squared x times cos squared x plus sine squared x dx. So we know that cos squared x plus sine squared x is just 1. That's a trig identity that we have to memorize, amongst other trig identities that we have to know. Secant squared x times 1 dx, that's going to be tan x plus c. So let's go over some of the trig identities that we have to memorize for a general calculus course. So sine squared x plus cos squared x is equal to 1. 1 plus tan squared x is equal to secant squared x. And sine 2x is 2 sine x cos x. And half angle identities, those are also important. Cos squared x is 1/2 1 plus cos 2x. And sine squared x is equal to 1/2 1 minus cos 2x. And another identity, 1 plus cotangent squared x is equal to cosecant squared x. All right, let's look at number 10. Here we have integral x to the 8 minus 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4 divided by x cubed. This may seem like a tough integral, but it actually is not, because we can just divide this through using a property of algebra. A plus b divided by c is a over c plus b over c. So dividing this through, we get x to the 8 over x cubed minus 2x cubed over x cubed plus 3x squared over x cubed minus 4 over x cubed dx. Let's simplify a little bit. We have the same base we're dividing, so that's going to be x to the 8 minus 3 is 5. The x cubed cancels out, we get minus 2. Plus 3 times, same base, we get x to the minus 1. And rewrite this, 4 over x cubed as minus 4, x to the negative 3. Let's split up the integrals. Integral x to the 5 dx minus integral 2 dx plus 3. Let's rewrite this as 1 over x dx. It will be easier to see the antiderivative of that. Minus 4 integral x to the minus 3 dx. Reversing the power rule, we get x to the 6 over 6 minus 2x plus antiderivative of 1 over x is log absolute value of x. And reversing the power rule, integral of x to the minus 3 is going to be minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 over minus 2 plus c. And we can simplify this a little bit more. That's going to be 2 over x squared, 2 over x squared, if you were to simplify that. All right, so the whole result is x to the 6 over 6 minus 2x plus 3 log x plus 2 over x squared plus c. All right, thanks.